Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. My name is Tony and I'm once again bringing you the best high quality trading content. On my channel you'll find everything you need, but it will be especially useful for beginner traders who are just starting their journey in trading. I want to show you that you can achieve great results in just a few months of trading. And to help you with that, not only will my videos be useful, but also your participation in my free trading group, which is available to everyone. Now, the link is in the description below. You can join right now completely free and you'll instantly get access to daily trading sessions, daily lessons, trade breakdowns, helpful tips, and much more, all absolutely free. Big thanks to everyone who's already part of the group. Now, let's move on to today's strategy. I will talk about a trading strategy that uses two indicators, the moving average or the SMA and the trend indicator, Parabolic SAR. First, we set up these indicators. For the Parabolic SAR, we keep the default settings. For the first SMA level, we change the period to 14. Then we set the line color to red so it's easier to see. For the second SMA level, we set the period to 7, change the color to blue and make the line bolder. Next, we'll try to find a good signal to open a trade. And after that, I'll explain what this strategy is all about and why it works well on any time frame. Speaking of time frames, right now our time frame is 1 minute and we will also open trades for 1 minute. We see a signal and open a sell trade. Let's break it down. Our trend indicator Parabolic SAR shows the direction of the trend. If the SAR dots are above the candlestick chart, this indicates a downtrend. That was one of the reasons we opened the trade. The second reason is a crossover of our SMAs. If the blue line crosses the red line from the top to bottom, we open a sell trade. That also gave us the signal here. If the blue line crosses the red line from the top to bottom, we open a buy trade. Let's wait for the result. No reason to stop now. Let's keep looking. Indicator settings are very important. Some traders use completely different periods. 7, 14, 28, 8, 9, 12, 13, 20, 24. It's important to understand what these periods represent. The main period traders analyzed for entering trades was 365 days. This period reflected smooth prices over a year. If the price was above the level, traders would consider it overvalued, and the opposite if it was below. It was also noticed that moving averages with a period of 200 worked well. That's about 9 months. A period of 100 roughly matches half a year. Then, by dividing, they derived the period 50, which represents about 2 working months. Other support levels include 150, 144, and 89. Many of these variations are also effective. We opened a buy trade. We have 2 Parabolic SAR dots below the chart, showing that the trend is upward. There is also an SMA crossover. The blue line crossed above the red one, indicating an upward trend. We opened a buy trade. This is a strong signal. Everything looks good. Let's wait for the result. And now, the second trade also closes. Here we see an interesting setup for opening a trade. At this moment, we don't yet have an SMA crossover, but the third Parabolic SAR dot signals an upward trend. Our task is to wait for the moment when the lines cross. If there's a reversal move, we won't lose anything. We wait until the lines cross. Yes, the lines have crossed. We open a buy trade. We have 2 key elements here. The parabolic indicator shows an upward trend and the 2 SMAs have crossed. A quick note on the SMA indicator. It can give many false signals. The period length matters a lot. The shorter the period, the more breakouts you'll see. We can also trade on breakouts. Since these are dynamic levels, the advantage of SMA lies in its simplicity. It's a straightforward indicator to understand, even for beginners. Our trade closes with a return. This is a very interesting moment. We can open a trade in the same direction because the signal is strong. We just didn't have enough time, only a few seconds short. The indicators show the same situation as before. We continue with the upward movement, waiting for the results. Unfortunately, this trade ended in a loss. Let's keep looking. We have the Euro to Canadian dollar, Parabolic SAR data present, and we also have something called a loss recovery system. We increase the trade amount by 2.5 times, opening a buy trade. We have an SMA crossover and both lines are moving upward, showing an uptrend. We don't have a classic crossover like the previous example, but the lines are climbing higher. The previous high has likely already been broken. We see the wick of the candle is above the previous high on the chart. We return the trade amount to $100 and try to find another signal. This is a simple strategy that can work for any trader, even without much experience. There are two parabolic dots, an SMA crossover and a clear downtrend. I'll wait for this candle to form and then open a sell trade. Great, we open a sell trade. As I mentioned, the main basis is the parabolic dots showing a downtrend and the crossover of the two SMA lines, which confirms the trend. We might lose on this one. A tense moment, very unstable, signals change quickly, candle colors shift, but we'll wait for the result. Let's keep searching for the next signal. We have everything we need to open a trade, parabolic dots and an SMA crossover. We open a buy trade. Don't rely too much on the chart itself. Many people who start learning to trade without indicators think that the bigger the upper wick, the more likely the chart will go down. But that's not true. When we use 1 minute candles, things can change quickly. If we were talking about medium-term trading, then yes, candles alone might give good signals. But for 1 minute trades, it's better to follow the indicators. We wait for the results of our trade. Wonderful! That's all guys. If you join my pro trading group, you can join me by sending a message on Telegram using my QR code or clicking the links in the subscription below. I trade every day from Monday to Friday. If you still don't understand how to trade and need help, just message me directly and I'll help you with everything and invite you to my group. There you learn everything you need. I do my best to provide everything you need for this. Learning to trade can sometimes be a painful experience, but with me, that will change. If that's what you want, then definitely send me a message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check all the links in the description below. I appreciate your attention and I'll see you in the next video.